The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello students, welcome back. How are you doing? Good. So I think you all are bored while sitting at home and without seeing your friends, is it? To avoid that, can I give a suggestion? Develop a reading habit. I do believe something magical will happen by reading a good book. It is a quote by the famous writer J.K. Rowling. Do you know who she? Yes, she is the writer of the famous series of Harry Potter. Is it? So I think if you develop a reading habit, it will help you to develop knowledge in different subjects. Is it? So I think you are going to try that. Can you see that? After coming to school, just give me the list of books which you have read in these days. Okay. Don't go behind your gadgets every time. Just utilize for your class and go to other worlds. Okay. And stay safe at home. Okay, students? Let's go for the session. Yes. So last session we have discussed the new chapter, that is how to create an email ID and which are the different sections in an email ID, is it? And what are the options it is available to send the documents by using the emails, is it? Generally we have discussed about the Gmail. It is a service of sending messages which is provided by Google, is it? So let's go for the next session. Yes. You all know about Wikipedia, is it? So by combining Wikipedia and our Kerala Government Education Department, they have developed a information section or information page about our schools and our local areas, is it? So that is known as School Wiki. In this, they are including the details of different schools in different area in every districts of Kerala. Okay, we have our portal option, that is schoolwiki.in. Such software, that is, and the web page which is including the different details of our different area, that is details of the history of that particular area and the locations, what it is, the conditions it is available in the particular area and like that, and the different schools in an area. Okay, and they are included the schools information also, when it is developed and what are the facilities available and what are the contents the students can write. You know the articles and different contents they have. Our students is wiki which included the details which is given by the teachers, students and the local area. They have collected from different people. Okay, so it includes the information about the particular area and what are the contents which is available in the area. Okay, and they can include the articles and different activities of the students in a particular page of that school. Okay, we can search by that option. Clear? So we'll see how the page will look like. If you go by the schoolwiki.in, you can see the options in Malayalam and English. Now I have displayed in Malayalam option. which is available in your textbook. So here we can create a profile of that, and generally it's a main options, and here you have a lot of options to go through that, and you can also upload and create, you can change the codings of a particular web page. Okay, it is included with that Wikipedia option. Clear? So in Wikipedia we have the different form of options here. In that you can also log in that. So while logging you can go by the district. If you need to go by the education and district, choose the option school. By this you can reach your school, and here you can view information in that particular option. Okay, and here it is, just edit, and here next you can click on the save option. Okay, if you need to enter details or you have to update the information, please, you can do by that option. Clear, students? Okay. So here next we have the option as wiki codes. In this page we have the number of codes or the collection of codes we can see in that particular web page. Here we will get the famous quotes, inspirational quotes, that is the poetry, proverbs and like that. It is helpful for the students. This is developed by this option. Okay. Wiki codes, it is available that wiki books, Wiktionary and Wikimedia, like that you have different options related to a particular topic you can search. Without searching in Google, you can directly go and search for a particular topic. So it will be helpful. Okay students, so do searching in Wikipedia. Okay. And next is we know about social media. What is social media? Can you give an example? Yes, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, like that. You can connect number of persons in a particular medium. Is it? So it is very. So you should be very careful while sharing the information. The particular news or the messages, it should be an authentic one. Okay. Don't share any unauthentic messages. So the unauthorized action which is taking place while using the internet is known as cyber crimes. That is, it is taken, the unauthorized action, it is considered as a crime in cyber area. Okay, so what are the different cyber crimes which is generally we are seeing in our society? Is it? The first one is cracking. That is, so generally we are checking the Wi-Fi passwords. While if it is available, means you are checking in a hospital or any railway station or any option. If it is available, means we are going to check. Is it? And we are just typing the passwords. Or if it is not available, means we are directly going and connecting with the Wi-Fi section. Is it? Such action is known as cracking. Okay, without knowing the other, we are connecting through the network. So such actions are known as cracking. And next one is hacking. That is, which examines the operating system or the software deeply and make the drastic changes. That is, the virus actions or the softwares we are installing into another computer, and we are making the changes in a particular system. And we are totally, if you are totally deleting, means such actions are known as hacking. It is generally occurring in bank accounts. So through the online banking, they are going to their particular account and changing their whatever the actions they can apply. So such actions are known as hacking. And next is phishing. It is an attempt to acquire sensitive personal information like password details, credit card details, like that. So such actions is known as, if you are accessing through online transactions, and such actions is known as phishing. Okay. And next one is cyber squatting. So it is an act of registering and using deceptive websites and address by pretending to be official website. It is generally happening through that online transaction website. Like any bank websites and any online shopping site. So if you are entering into that particular website, means you are entering your card details and password. So easily they can identify and they can hack their particular details. So such actions is known as cyber squatting. In the latest movie of Dulquer Salmaan, that is Kandoni, you can see that cyber squatting and different cyber crime techniques they are using in that. So just go through that, you will get an idea. Okay, and next is pornography, that is to displaying an unauthorized pictures of anyone without knowing them. Is it? Such act is known as pornography. And next is cyber terrorism. Using these such of social medias and another messages or anything, if you are acting against the country, means it is known as cyber terrorism. Clear? So what are the cyber crimes we have discussed? First one is cracking, another one is hacking, and another one is phishing, and next cyber squatting, pornography, and cyber terrorism. Okay, so these are the cyber crimes. It is generally dividing according to its actions. Clear, students? So keep in mind and carefully handle the contents using through the internet. Okay, and next is the cyber laws. According to these that is rules only, we are categorizing the crimes into different sections. So generally the cyber law came into India by 2000 and it is effective by October 17 and by the name of IT Act 2000. Okay, and this law was recommended. Again it is changed by October 27, 2009 according to the updations in internet and other activities. Okay, and it gives an exhaustive account of the penalties and punishment. If you have done any cyber crimes, means we have different punishments and fines and the penalties according to this rule. So keep in mind, it should be very safe and using your accounts and everything through the internet. Okay, and these are the, if you want to know detail about the cyber laws, means you can go to this website. You can clearly go through the laws in India which are implemented through this IT Act. Okay, so let's see the another topic, emoji. You people are mostly using this content, is it? What it is? The small icons or the small pictures we are using to express our emotions, which is generally using in social media like WhatsApp, Facebook and other options. Is it? Nowadays it is available in different options. Emojis, stickers, GIF files like that. Is it? Yes. I think you all are known to develop the stickers using different pictures. The different app it is available. Is it? Nowadays it is available 3D emojis also. Is it? Yes. So these are the main contents in the topics we have discussing. That is about how to create an account in an internet using different options. By that is email ID or in social media like this. And what are the contents we have to keep in mind while using internet. Is it? Okay students, be careful while using these contents, and this is an important chapter of your theory section. Okay, so go through these contents and write the different that is the activities which I am given in this. Okay, we will see an activity. We have 3 questions. So go through that and answer it and send me the answer. Okay students, so complete the notes. I think you are going to think about to develop reading habits. Think about that, start with a book. If you don't have any idea, means please ask to me. We will give a suggestion. Okay, so we will see you in the next class.